What up guys, welcome to another Bitcoin video, and today's an actual emergency guys. I know I've been saying this a lot, but this is actually going crazy. My prediction is playing out exactly how I was predicting like 2 weeks ago. It's absolutely crazy. And yes guys, I know that I have not been posting much over on my YouTube channel right here. The last video was 4 days ago. Thank you so much for 100 views, by the way. However, that is because Bitcoin was straight up not doing anything. So yeah, then there's also not much to talk about, and I don't want to bother you guys with any unnecessary content, of course. So yeah, I was just focusing on some other things. I can show you guys a chart right here. Like, how am I supposed to make any video on this price action? It was absolutely boring as fuck, but we can now see that we are finally breaking down of this massive area of support we have right here. We can see that we were just trading around this level, under and above it for so long, and now we are getting a clear breakdown, and this is one of the first actual candles that is probably going to close just like this in the red, and that's going to be the first candle under this level around here all the way. It's basically, if we close this candle like this, that's going to be the first candle close under $25,400 all the way back in June 23. That was when it last happened, and now it's potentially happening again. We can currently see this drawing I drawed over here on the Bitcoin price. Of course, on my chart, we can see that I am currently predicting that we are going to go down and fill the liquidity here all the way down at $24,800. I was talking about in my last video as well. Basically, exactly what I'm saying right now, I was saying right here in my video. So if you prepared and if you shorted over on Bybit, of course, first link in the description to claim some crazy deposit bonuses, you will have made a lot of money, because this is exactly what I've been saying the last few weeks. Simply that we're currently in a consolidation race. We have been consolidating for so freaking long, it's crazy, for more than 24 days, and it seems like we are finally grabbing this liquidity around $24,800. It's going to send Bitcoin into, everyone is going to panic, everyone is going to call $15,000 again, 12k. I don't know, on Twitter everyone is going crazy already that the boom market is over, or that the bear market is still going. Everyone is calling for crazy prices, but remember what the Bitcoin price always does. Bitcoin always tends to do the exact opposite of what the masses are currently thinking. And I've been seeing a lot of YouTubers and a lot of people on Twitter talking about lower prices, everyone being really bearish, and that most of the time means that we have reached the bottom. Also, if we look here over on the 12-hour chart, it seems like that if we just reach a $24,800 level, that's going to be a massive area of support, and I am expecting a quick bounce from that level, just like I showed you guys right here. It will make a lot of sense, and we can see that Bitcoin just keeps on dropping here over on the 1 minute chart. It's not looking good right now, but if you're in a short, of course, it is looking really good. And I've been predicting this for so long right now that if you don't, if you were long somewhere around this level, then I'm not sure what you were doing, but you were not right, and you have not been watching my videos, because this is most likely going to play out. It's like an 80% chance that we are going to fill the liquidity here up over at around $24,800. So now enough talking about going down. What is going to happen once we hit $24,800? Well, like I said, I'm expecting a quick bounce back to around the top of this green box right here, which are around $25,400. And from that level, yes guys, I'm thinking that we are going to get even more consolidation. And I know it's really boring, but there is a chance that we're going to consolidate for like another 10 days before getting that massive pump to the upside. So yeah, that is currently what I'm expecting. We can clearly see that we broke this massive uptrend finally, and we're now going to grab that liquidity. And yeah, here over on the 12-hour chart, like I said, makes sense to grab this liquidity. Consolidation at around 24,800, and from us there we have to just simply try to break up, potentially getting over this green line again that has been previously been a lot of support, and then sending us a lot higher. However, do note that if $24,800, which is of course, like I said, a 20% chance that we're not holding $24,800, then it's going to get pretty brutal for Bitcoin, and then Bitcoin could potentially reach all the way at around $23,800, which is another $1,000 dump, and potentially even lower at around $22,000, just based on how long it's going to take. And that means that we're going to see this massive area of support on the 1 week chart finally coming in play again. Last boom, a bear market basically, we also touched it twice. So yeah, there's a chance that we're going to touch it twice before getting that massive parabolic upside. So yeah, for now, 20% chance that we're going to go down like crazy, but in my opinion, a really big chance that we're going to see some massive support over at $24,800, and from of that level just simply bouncing back up all the way to potentially starting a new bull market. I don't freaking know, but at least I am going to short a lot of I'm going to long a lot of Bitcoin at around $24,800. In my opinion, that's a no-brainer. So yeah, that is currently exactly what I'm doing. Of course, this is no financial advice. I'm just sharing what I am doing with my own money, and you can potentially copy me if you want to, if you think I have some knowledge. If you don't think, then don't. If you don't think that, then don't copy me. But yeah, that's currently what I am doing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will start making more Bitcoin videos if Bitcoin finally starts to do some more things again, because it has been really boring the last few weeks. But this is potentially a turnaround point where the volatility is going to start picking up again and potentially kicking off that massive bull run everyone is currently waiting for. So yeah, that being said guys, I hope I will see you in my next crypto video.